into a Sonoma County Transit bus in Rohnert Park this morning. KCBS's Jeffrey Schaub reports the crash impact was so great it moved the bus backwards, knocking passengers into other seats and onto the floor.
The Sonoma County Transit bus with a total of 16 passengers on board was waiting at a traffic light at northbound Commerce Boulevard, getting ready to take a left onto westbound Rohnert Park Expressway.
As it's waiting for its light, the truck proceeded through the intersection and ran head-on into the bus.
Rohnert Park Department of Public Safety Lieutenant Jeff Nick says 9 people on the bus were injured, 3 transported to area hospitals, 3 others driven by loved ones, and 4 treated at the scene and released.
We had 1 serious, and that was the driver of the pickup truck. We had 1 moderate, and that was the driver of the bus.
Nick says police investigators are determining whether the driver of the Silverado pickup ran a red light. He says the bus was heavily damaged.
It looked like, just an initial view of the overall situation, it looked like the bus was pushed back approximately 6 inches to 12 inches.
None of the injuries are life-threatening. In the North Bay, Jeffrey Schaub, KCBS.
Traffic and weather together on the 8th. It's 12:08, our first traffic report of this early Thursday morning with Carolyn Burns. Good morning, Carolyn.
Hey, good morning, Alyssa. Well, we still have road work on the peninsula northbound 101 in that San Mateo Burlingame area, and you're going to see that 2 lanes are taken away there at Doré Avenue, so traffic is still, it's just absolutely just creeping along from just before Highway 92, but then you get back up to speed just after you get into the construction zone and beyond, and you'll be at the limit there all the way into San Bruno. And you know what? In the Sierra, there are now chain requirements on eastbound 80 from Kingvale to Truckee. Eastbound trucks are being screened for chains at Applegate, and on westbound 80, chains are required from Donner Lake Interchange to about 5 miles west of Kingvale, and those westbound trucks are being screened about 5 miles west of Reno. There are no chain requirements right now on either 50 or Highway 88. Your next traffic update is at 12:18 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Yeah, that may change overnight for sure. Cloudy, breezy, cold this morning with patchy fog at the coast. Lows dipping down into the 30s and 40s. Looks like we've got low 50s right now. And then light showers, they started in the North Bay. They're spreading south and east by sunrise. Otherwise cloudy today with highs from the upper 50s to mid-60s. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Hey, kiddo.